Hungary. It lies in the Carpathian Basin. It borders Slovakia in the north, Romania in the east, and Serbia in the south. Croatia borders Hungary in the southwest, Slovenia in the west, Austria in the northwest, and Ukraine in the northeast. There are about 10 million inhabitants. It is a member of the EU. The official language is Hungarian. Budapest is the capital city. Hungary is home to the largest thermal water cave system. Underground thermal baths. The two main waterways are the river Danube, the river Tisza. The country is divided into 3 sections: beyond the Danube, beyond the Tisza, between the Danube and Tisza. Beyond the Danube, or Transdanubia, this area starts at the center of the country and goes west towards Austria. It is mostly hilly with low mountains. The mountains include the Eastern Alps, Alpocaglia in the west. The Transdanubian Mountains lie in the central region of Transdanubia. The Medzek Mountains and Villeni Mountains lie in the south. The Little Hungarian Plain lies in northern Transdanubia. Lake Balaton and Lake Hevitz are situated in Transdanubia. Lake Hevitz is the largest lake in Central Europe. Lake Hevitz is the largest thermal lake in the world. Beyond the Tisza and between the Danube and Tisza. These areas are characterized mostly by the Great Hungarian Plain. It stretches across a lot of eastern and southeastern Hungary. In the north of the plain lie the foothills of the Carpathians near the Slovakian border. The territory of Hungary belongs to the ecoregion of Pannonian mixed forests. Bela Bartok, composer. Herbert St. Georgi discovered vitamin C. He received the Nobel Prize for Medicine. Franz Liszt and Robert Capa, Magnum Agency. Okay, bye-bye.